Just like the rising popularity of mechanical keyboards, loved by typists and gamers for their satisfying feel, durability, and precision, microwave popcorn poppers have gained attention for their convenience, eco-friendliness, and delicious results. This guide reviews 5 top-rated microwave list number. The original Salbury collapsible silicone microwave popcorn popper maker machine. Microwavable bowl holds 16 cups. The Salbury collapsible silicone popcorn popper combines simplicity and efficiency. Made from high-quality BPA-free silicone, this popper holds up to 16 cups of popcorn, enough for family movie nights. Its collapsible design makes it compact and easy to store, perfect for small kitchens. The built-in handles keep your hands safe from burns, while the wide, stable base prevents tipping in the microwave. Dishwasher safe and quick to clean, it eliminates the need for disposable bags and extra oil, making it a healthier. List 2. Hotpop silicone popcorn popper. Large microwave corn popper with handles, dishwasher safe silicone popcorn bowl. The hotpop silicone popcorn popper is another excellent option for popcorn lovers. This large, BPA-free silicone bowl has an impressive capacity, allowing you to make big batches in just minutes. Its heat-resistant handles make it easy to handle right out of the microwave, and the silicone lid prevents kernels from flying out while popping. Collapsible for storage and dishwasher safe. It's great for anyone looking for a reusable, easy-to-clean alternative to traditional popcorn bags. Plus, it comes in multiple colors. List number: Presto 4830 powerpop microwave multi-popper, black. For those who want the speed and efficiency of a microwave popper with a bit more power, the Presto 4830 powerpop is a strong contender. Its unique design features a power base and power cup concentrator that focus microwave energy for optimal popping. This means more kernels popped and fewer unpopped at the bottom. The clear cover doubles as a serving bowl, and it works well with or without oil, depending on your preference. Durable and easy to use, the Presto is a smart choice for consistent, fluffy popcorn. List number: Ecopeaceful silicone microwave popcorn popper collapsible bowl. 100% pure silicone. LFGB food grade, no fillers. If you're concerned about purity and food safety, the Ecopeaceful silicone popcorn popper stands out. Made from 100% pure LFGB certified silicone with no fillers or plastic smell, it's one of the safest and most eco-friendly choices. Its collapsible design saves space in your cupboard, while the thick, durable material withstands high temperatures without warping. The bowl pops plenty of popcorn quickly and evenly, and its lid keeps your microwave clean. If you want a popper that's as healthy as your snack. List 5. Zoule microwave popcorn popper bowl maker with lid. Collapsible, BPA-free silicone, dishwasher safe. Zoule microwave popcorn popper delivers reliable performance in a stylish, user-friendly package. Made from BPA-free silicone, it collapses flat for storage and is dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Its generous size produces a big bowl of popcorn, and the integrated handles stay cool for easy removal from the microwave. With its snug-fitting lid and sturdy base, it prevents messes while ensuring even popping. Affordable and practical, the Zoule is a great choice for anyone who loves popcorn and hates clutter.